How's it going? Welcome to our channel. Here is a place for providing healthy and quick recipes around the world for you. Let's dive into today's recipe.
Guarda cosa mi hai fatto, con un semplice sguardo, oh maledetta dea dell'universo, impazzisco.
Hey there, home cooks! Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a quick and delicious Italian Ribollita with white beans and kale. This hearty Tuscan soup is perfect for those chilly nights when you want something warm and comforting. So, let's get started. First up, let's sort our ingredients. You'll need 1 can of white beans, drained and rinsed, a bunch of fresh kale, roughly chopped, 2 carrots diced, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 can of diced tomatoes, a few slices of stale bread, cubed. Trust me, it's a game changer. Some fresh thyme and a bay leaf. Olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Alright, let's dive into the cooking. Start by heating a generous glug of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add in your diced onions and carrots. Saute them for about 5 minutes until they're nice and soft. Next, toss in the minced garlic and give it a quick stir. You want to cook this for just a minute until it's fragrant. Now, add in your diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, thyme and bay leaf. Give it a good stir and let it come to a simmer. Once your soup is simmering, add in the white beans and kale. Stir everything together and let it cook for about 15-20 minutes until the kale is tender and the flavors have melded together beautifully. While the soup is bubbling away, let's prepare the bread. Take the cubed stale bread and drizzle it with some olive oil. Toast it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes until it's golden and crispy. Now comes the fun part. Once the soup is ready, remove the thyme and bay leaf, stir in the toasted bread cubes and let them soak up all that delicious broth. This is what makes Ribollita so special. The bread thickens the soup and gives it an amazing texture. Season your Ribollita with salt and pepper to taste, and there you have it, a quick and delicious Italian Ribollita with white beans and kale. Serve it up in bowls, drizzled with a bit more olive oil and maybe some freshly grated parmesan if you're feeling fancy. This soup is not only super tasty, but also packed with nutrients. Perfect for a cozy meal at home. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more delicious dishes. See you next time.
Continua a brillare, sei mia bella stella, e continui a brillare, sei mia bella stella.
Este fırlayı bu pişmişo piavo kuşta perteli.
Hi there, how's it going? Welcome to our channel. Here is a place for providing healthy and quick recipes around the world for you. Let's dive into today's recipe.
Need to learn how to make a classic Italian dish for two? Today, we're diving into the world of easy-to-follow recipes. This dish is sure to impress your partner or friend. Let's start by gathering all the ingredients needed. You'll need fresh pasta, tomatoes, garlic, basil, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese. Begin by heating the olive oil in a pan on medium heat. Next, add minced garlic and let it cook until fragrant. Once the garlic is golden, add chopped tomatoes to the pan. Let the tomatoes simmer and release their juices. Meanwhile, cook the pasta according to the package instructions. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and add it to the tomato sauce. Toss everything together gently to coat the pasta. Sprinkle in some fresh basil leaves for a pop of flavor. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. Finish off the dish by grating some Parmesan cheese over the top. Serve the pasta hot and enjoy the delicious flavors. This recipe is a perfect option for a romantic dinner at home. You can pair it with wine for the ultimate Italian experience. Try making this dish tonight and let us know how it turns out. Unlock a world of knowledge, inspiration, and entertainment by subscribing to our channel today, and join a community of curious minds on a journey towards limitless possibilities. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Afsan Farm's Kitchen. In associated with Afsan Farm Media Production.